Pt.1 Bassender 9000 here with another vlog. Yeah! We're about to go urban fishing today in this creek that I found on Google Maps. It's here at Powder Creek Park. It's called Powder Creek. So I know we got to get down there on a skateboard, or at least that's what I'm using today. So I got my skateboard, got my gear, tackle, and then the pole I'm going to be using. So other than that, we're about to see if we can pull out some bluegill or crappie, sunfish, whatever it's going to be, some type of species in this creek today. Bonham, Texas, Pt.1 with another video. Let's get to it. Yeah! Okay folks, we are here. You can see this is the Powder Creek right here that's going through Powder Creek Park, straight down the middle. It actually looks pretty juicy. Look at that little windy curve. It's got some branches that just leap over. Dude, like, I would not be surprised if there was a decent sized bass in this creek. And all I brought was some crappie stuff, but that doesn't mean anything. I got my tackle. I might hook up something if there's something else flashy in this thing. So other than that, let's get to business. Let's start casting out. That was horrible. Definitely got to get used to left-handed. There we go. Whoa, why is this line so tangly? All right. I hate you after. All right, bet. Well guys, I got a bite. I don't see you having me any luck today with this spinning reel. I might have to return with a bait casting reel. Actually, I've gotten 2 bites. I had one at the beginning and I had one over here. So I think I'm just gonna wrap this up, make it a short, quick video, and we might catch part 2 coming back out here with my bait casting reel. Let's see if we can get anything else in this thing, but I know there's something in here. Because I walked with my kids around this park one day and there was tons of like crappie, whatever, baby bass, I know for sure. So let's see how the next video goes. So sorry for not catching anything, guys, but if you did like this video, give it a like, subscribe, hit that bell to get notified, and always comment what you want to know for the next one. But part 2 will be coming up in the next couple days. Yeah.